Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you information about XRP's latest Death Cross, which sounds much more ominous and scary than it actually is. It's supposed to be a very bearish price indicator, and we just hit it, and I don't think it matters, and I'll tell you why. I'm also going to share with you a piece about a new exchange listing XRP. I'm going to share with you an update about XRP ledger validators and continued decentralization of the XRP ledger. And I've got a story for you about MoneyGram, who is launching a brand new website. So they're kind of revamping their style and in more ways than one. It's not just that they are utilizing XRapid and thus XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border payments. They're doing their website right. So I got all that for you. Now, before we get going, if you would please delicately tap that like button. And if you're a fan of Ripple and XRP, my friends, you come to the right place. Go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel, and I promise that you might not regret it. But you might regret it. All right, so here's a piece from CoinDesk. XRP price charts first Death Cross since April of 2018. And I have to tell you, given that this is CoinDesk, which is more aptly known as FUD Desk, I would say, this was surprisingly reasonable and fair. I pretty much liked this, actually. Check this out. So the piece begins. XRP is flashing red this Tuesday morning with a long-term price indicator turning bearish for the first time in over a year. At press time, the third largest crypto... Actually, I got to point this out, too. So in the title here, where did it say it? XRP... Oh, maybe... Did they change it? Did they fix it? I swear there was somewhere in here that it said the second largest cryptocurrency, or maybe I just didn't get to it because I read it earlier today, but there's something where it said the second largest cryptocurrency, and then they called XRP the third largest cryptocurrency. Whatever, sorry, I'm deviating too much. Let me get back to this. At press time, the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is currently trading at 29.55 cents on Bitfinex, representing a 1% drop on a 24-hour basis. More importantly, however, the 50-day moving average, MA, of XRP's price has crossed below the 200-day MA, moving average. That is the first death cross, or a long-term bearish crossover, since April 2018. Now, this has happened before, and it tends to actually not matter. Maybe it reasonably does. Look, I'm not a chart guy. I'm not going to pretend to be. I don't do technical analysis. But I've been around long enough to know that a lot of these indicators don't mean anything. Just like, remember the golden cross? Remember when I talked about that within the last few months or so? That didn't mean anything either, did it? Not really. So things are applied differently here. So let me give you the CoinDesk explanation as to why that is. So they write, technical analysis theory considers the death cross as an advance warning of a major sell-off. In reality, however, the crossover is the result of a major price slide. The MA studies are based on historical data and tend to lag price. This is evident from the fact that XRP fell from 52 cents to 28 cents in 3.5 weeks to July 16th, and the bearish crossover has happened today. Put simply, the long-term moving average crossovers are lagging indicators and have limited predictive powers at best. In fact, the death cross has worked as a contrary indicator in the past, as seen in the chart below. And they're kind of on screen. I'm not going to try and blow them up or anything like that. And so to me, this doesn't matter, but it's in the news. So I wanted to pull this up to say it probably doesn't matter. You can tell me what you think below. It's okay to disagree. Anyway, the piece continues here. XRP fell from a record high of $3.30 to 45 cents in 3 months to April 1st, 2018. And the 50 and 200-day moving averages produced charted the death cross on April 9, following which XRP picked up a bid and rose to a high of 96 cents by April 24th. Take note of the fact that the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, was reporting oversold conditions with a below 30 print on April 1st. An oversold RSI indicates the sell-off is overdone and potential for a corrective bounce, which happened after the confirmation of the death cross. This time, the RSI is hovering at 37, above right. A reading between 50 and 30 indicates bearish conditions. Further, the pennant breakdown, a bearish continuation pattern confirmed earlier this month, indicates the path of least resistance is to the downside. Therefore, the latest Death Cross could end up bolstering the already bearish setup. XRP could drop below the support at 28.25 cents in the short run and extend losses towards the September 2018 low of 25 cents. The short-term outlook would turn bullish if prices rise above 34 cents. That was the July 20th high, invalidating the bearish lower highs setup. And then they write disclosure: the author holds no cryptocurrency assets at the time of writing. Yet they're writing for CoinDesk. What? Is that right? So the piece could have been worse, right? Am I right? Because usually when I share something with you from CoinDesk, that's usually you can tell that there's a narrative, which is XRP is the devil, basically, right? And I didn't completely get that from it. I felt like like there was a genuine attempt to be balanced. And so, hey, maybe now maybe that is true. Maybe the author truly doesn't hold any crypto assets and doesn't give a flying F. All right, next piece here, ambcrypto.com. XRP finds another home as Bankera exchange lists the world's second largest altcoin. Bankera, a cryptocurrency exchange in the process of assembling a blockchain-era bank, has expanded its assortment of cryptocurrencies offered on the platform. The third largest coin by market cap, XRP, is the newest addition to the platform. Oh, there it is. Now it's making sense. Yeah, I thought it was the other piece. It was this one. I was misremembering to some degree, but I knew that it existed. So here you go. Look at the title here. XRP finds another home as Bankera Exchange lists the world's second largest altcoin. Okay. Then you scroll down here and they call it the world's third largest by market cap, XRP. Well, which is it? I'd still say it's second because I know I still need to make this video. Some of you out there think that the way that CoinMarketCap lists and LiveCoinWatch, the way that they list market cap is correct, meaning that Ethereum is in fact ahead of XRP. I absolutely disagree with that quite firmly, having looked into it pretty in depth. I agree with the Yahoo listing and the Forbes listing, which notes that XRP is indeed second in market cap. And I know I still need to make a video about that. And if you disagree with me, hey, it's okay. We can still be friends. No big deal. It's okay. I like diversity of opinion, actually, and I like critical thinking. So also, if any of you can actually persuade me that I'm wrong after I state my case on that, I am happy to admit if I ever change my mind, which does happen. I've changed my mind on things over the course of this channel over the last 8 months or so. Nothing of consequence, really, but still, like, it happens. I'm always learning. So anyway, let me try reading this again now that we've covered that. Bankera, a cryptocurrency exchange in the process of assembling a blockchain-era bank, has expanded its assortment of cryptocurrencies offered on the platform. The third largest coin by market cap, XRP, is the newest addition to the platform. The addition was announced by the exchange via its official Twitter handle. The announcement read, "Great news! XRP, one of the most popular coins on the market, is now supported on Bankera Exchange. Head to our blog to read more about the newly listed cryptocurrency." Nice. Additionally, the exchange also confirmed the listing of XRP through a blog post. The blog post stated that XRP can be traded by pairing it up with 4, quote, leading cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and the exchange's native token, the Banker token. I like that. I bet the Bitcoin maxis won't like the name of that, the Banker token. But I'm cool with it because banks are just businesses and businesses are just people. So there we are. The exchange further revealed that users with BNK tokens would have an upper hand at trading XRP as the exchange offers fee-free trading for BNK holders. Users can trade, deposit, and withdraw XRP from the exchange as the services have already been activated on the platform. Bankera Exchange concluded the blog post by suggesting that the latest update is the first of many more to come in the future. The blog post added, XRP coin is the first new addition to Bankera Exchange, but it is definitely not going to be the only one. As we are planning to offer our users an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, more coins and tokens will be added to the platform in the near future. And so we certainly like that, and let's just hope that what we're looking at right here, when we're looking at Bankera Exchange, let's hope that that is a future XRapid partner. Because I'm telling you, every exchange on the planet, once these tracks are laid, once the corridors are really set up, if there's volume flowing through and you're an exchange, you would be nuts to not have XRP listed, and you would be nuts to not implement Ripple's XRapid technology, because you make fees on the buying associated with every single transaction. Every exchange on the planet, with rare exception, will want a piece of the pie. They're going to want to implement XRapid technology. So, all good things in time. All right, check out this tweet from XRP Research Center. Decentralization update. Validators operated by Bitrue and Blockdaemon have been included to the DUNL, that's the default UNL, and have now a greater responsibility in the consensus process. Ripple has reduced its DUNL share to 21%, and you can look on the screen right here if you're not driving, but if you are driving, be a good motorist out there. Keep your hands on the wheel at 10 and 2. But if you're not, feel free to take a look at your mobile phone or your tablet or your TV or what is it, monitor, I don't know, whatever you're watching this on. And you can see that 79% of the validators are non-Ripple validators. Default UNL dominance, 79%. Isn't that something? All right, next piece. And this is, so I got this actually from XRP Research Center also, and tweeted out. There's a Yahoo Finance piece, and I'm going to pull that up in a second here, but here's a quote. MoneyGram MGI today announced the launch of the redesigned MoneyGram.com online platform in the United States. The new site has a faster and more seamless flow, added personalization options, and other convenient features. And so let me share a little bit of this. The part that I just read in the tweet is the very beginning part. I forgot this article. Anyway, so let's get down to here. The enhancements we have made to our website will provide a more customer-centric web experience, making it even easier for our customers to send money domestically and internationally to friends and family, said Alex Holmes, MoneyGram chairman and CEO. We have made significant investments in our digital capabilities over the last few years in order to provide a differentiated customer experience, and the improved online platform is another way we're driving digital growth and staying at the forefront of the industry. The MoneyGram.com platform offers the ability to find a location, send money online, and check the status of transactions. Users can also easily repeat a transaction with just a few clicks. And that's actually important, especially if you're sending money back home, say you live in the United States. Because look at the corridors as it pertains to XRapid. You got people that maybe not originally from here, but are living in the United States, sending money back home to Mexico or back to the Philippines. That's what Ripple is targeting right now. So anyway, they say users, again, can easily repeat a transaction with just a few clicks. The redesigned website also provides easier access to estimated transfer fees, increasing transparency and ease of use for money transfer planning. Signing up for MoneyGram Plus Rewards is easy, and loyalty members earn rewards with every send, receive exclusive promotions, and can use the site to check activity and reward status. So this is cool stuff. And you know what's one of the most amazing things that it still kind of strikes me from time to time when I think about it? It's just the fact that, yes, MoneyGram, official partner with Ripple, utilizing XRapid, they're still rolling it out, of course. But sometimes it just strikes me the fact that it's going to be used, and the average person that's moving money around the world, going through remittance companies like MoneyGram, they'll have no idea necessarily what a cryptocurrency is, and they'll certainly have no idea that XRP is being used in the background as a bridge currency. I just think it's the coolest thing. So anyway, I'll wrap up this video. I appreciate any comments below. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!